What's up? What's good? What's happening? It's your girl Queen Asha and I'm back again. What's up to my new subscribers and what's good to my old loyal subscribers? If you are new, go ahead and hit that like button because you're gonna like the video, and you can go ahead and subscribe because you want to remember me. And then, don't forget to leave a comment and share. And I want to say happy Thanksgiving to you guys. I'm thankful for you all for subscribing to my channel, giving my channel views, likes, whatever you guys want to do. I'm thankful for you all. And although this video is not up on Thanksgiving and it's actually not done on Thanksgiving, but I just wanted to do a little Thanksgiving-y video. Side note, I wanted to do my video in a new environment, so I'm doing it on my patio. And don't ask me why I'm not sitting down and I'm standing up, because your girl needs to stand up. I got too much energy to be sitting down. That was the real reason. Oh, I got my PJs on too, so I like how I got close like that. But nah, this video is going to consist of my really, dog, really. So this video is going to consist of my top 5 favorites at Thanksgiving, and my least 5 favorites for Thanksgiving. Like, y'all can leave that at the door. I don't need it. I can go without it. You feel me? Let's start off with my 5 least favorites. Number 5. Turnip greens. I cannot stand turnip greens. They're disgusting. I like greens. I love collard greens, but it's something about the turnip that really turns me like collard greens with some hot sauce, but turnip greens. And my 4th least favorite would have to be stuffing or dressing. I don't know, I think they're the same. Stuffing, dressing, they look the same to me, and from what I can tell, they taste the same to me. So with that being said, it's just, I don't like that. I don't even know what the texture is, but I don't like it. And the flavor, I don't like it. Like, scratch, I don't need it. Number trace would have to be cranberry sauce. Why do I need cranberry sauce? Like, if I need sauce, I can do gravy. Like, that cranberry jelly, like, it's ew. Let me stop being judgy, because I'm not judgy. I'm very open-minded, but cranberry sauce does not get the job done for me. I'm sorry. Number 2, for my least favorite at Thanksgiving, like, a lot of people finna be mad at me.
A lot of people.
Sweet potato pie. Oh, I do not like sweet potato pie. I don't want to say I despise it, but I despise it. It's nasty. I don't know. Maybe I just haven't had the right pie. I don't want to try it again. Like, I don't think I've had sweet potato pie in who knows how long since the last time I tried it, but whenever I tried it last time, that was it. I didn't want no more. Even Patty haven't got me to try her pie right now. The top least favorite food at Thanksgiving, boom, 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 is chitterlings. Chitterlings. Oh my gosh, like, ew. I do not like no chitlins. Chitlins are disgusting. They stink. Like, they look nasty. I mean, I don't know if the smell completely turns me off. Like, and then you buy these 50-pound bags and get a good 10 out of the whole thing, like you making spinach or something. Like, chitterlings are disgusting. Like, ew. Like, okay, I can't say nothing because I have people in my family that love chitlins. They love chitlins, But me, I can't get jiggy with it.
Eat double hockey stick, no. WTF, no. Oh no, what you thought, no. No, thank you.
Now let's get into my top 5 favorites. So number 5 on my top 5 faves is, I want to say cornbread, like Rose cornbread, like that dough. Somebody made cornbread real good, you know, not bland, but a little sweet, but moist. And I'm telling y'all, y'all missing out. Oh wait, 4 on my list is peach cobbler. I love me some peach cobbler. I actually think it's not even the peaches that do it for me, it's the crust. Like you got that syrupy, cinnamony little flavor with that soft dough.
I know I'm probably gonna get judged from my top least faves and my top 5 faves, but keep watching.
Number 3 on my top favorite 5s is freaking mac and cheese. Like, you make some good mac and cheese that make that sound, like, you already know. I know that somebody put like carrots and peas inside the mac and cheese. Was I the only one that seen it? Because I would have been mad. I would have been pissed, PO'd, having a BF. If y'all watch White Chicks, y'all know. Number 2 on my list is some motherfucking ham. I love ham. So, okay, pause. I know y'all probably like, how she don't like chitlins, but she loves some ham. I guarantee you, majority of you guys love ham versus chitlins. I hope I'm right. I could be wrong. But ham, I eat the outside of a ham. I don't want the intestines of a pig.
I said that all wrong.
I want the outside of a pig, but not the intestines of the pig. Y'all get what I'm saying. But I just almost feel like it's hard to really get ham wrong. Like, I don't think I've had a bad ham. And maybe that's why it's like my top 2, maybe. Because most hams is juicy, is tender. I haven't had a bad one. If y'all had a bad one, comment y'all experience below, because how can ham go wrong? Unless you're vegan and vegetarian, pescatarian, all of that good stuff, to each his own. Numero 1 on my list of pumpkin-y, Thanksgiving-y, fall-ish meal is pumpkin pie. Your girl loves pumpkin pie. I love it to death. It might sound crazy. That's why I said I'm gonna get judged all throughout this video probably, but it's cool. I'm just letting y'all know who I am and what I like on Thanksgiving. Growing up, my great grandmother, who is still alive, amen for that, she used to build them. She used to make them with me and my sister when we were younger, and I think ever since then I loved them. And don't get me wrong, we used to make the sweet potato pie, apple pie, like all kinds of pies, but pumpkin, it's even the smell, like y'all can't relate. Even pumpkin smell, spice is so good. This is probably the only time I love fall, because I've had like pumpkin spice ice cream, pumpkin pie, pumpkin bars, pumpkin. I just love the flavor of pumpkin. I know it might sound crazy, but I love the flavor of pumpkin spice. Like, who can relate? Who's with me? Team pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice. But thanks for tuning in to your girl mother loving video. I appreciate the love and the support. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I hope I proved to y'all that I'm relatable. And check out my other videos. I have hair videos. I love doing vlogs. Like this video, by the way. Comment and share. Yeah, and share. And when you comment, you know, let me know what's y'all favorite on Thanksgiving. What was y'all least favorite? Like, sometimes we have that one thing we like, but we only like when one person makes it. Like, let me know in the comments. Your girl is out, period, big dots, outie.